A few things that I want us to remember today when we leave. Let us not overlook the value, the power of the women who serve God in this church. When we leave, I hope women will understand that God thinks so highly of you. And that as a church, we want you to know that we think highly of you as well. And that we want to be people who make sure we are taking the talents that these women can bring to make our church better. Because after all, the grace of God has provided the church so that we can have relationship and connection to grow ourselves for Him while reaching out to others who need to hear